Good morning and welcome to the forests of Hälsingland, Hudiksvall here up in North Sweden. It's around 3 hours drive from Stockholm. Up here, just relaxing. Actually went to the beach yesterday. It's certainly a bit colder than in the Philippines, but coming from Sweden, we still think it's warm. So very nice to be cozy there. Also a lot of barbecue, of course. Last night we had some pork chops and corn, a lot of sausages. The day before also a lot of nice grilling on the barbecue. You never know with the weather, so you gotta seize the moment to be outside and just enjoy. And a lot of foods, eating out, also some salmon and potatoes for lunch the other day. So I'm just walking outside here to enjoy the fresh air. I went for a run yesterday, but taking a bit of a break here tonight. Just gonna enjoy the nature. We'll see. I guess we're gonna go to the beach later, take a swim today as well, but it's love to start my days out fresh and early. It's actually 7. I was a bit later than normal, but I did some work before, so just gonna relax, enjoy the nature here, and see you a bit later. So actually, since it was very sun outside, I decided to go for a run anyway. Walked first like 10-15 minutes, but felt the inspiration. I had to go outside. And it's really magical backgrounds and environments here, just running, so not doing very intense. Nice to get the pulse up, then you can just have a shower and enjoy the breakfast without any guilt for eating a lot. So just enjoying the backgrounds here. Gonna come out to the road here soon and then run back, so see you out on the big road. Definitely a countryside feeling running out here. You have these red barns and you have horses in the background here out on the fields. Slightly different than Stockholm or Manila for that matter, but really nice here. Enjoying the nature in the morning. Wrapping up the morning run here. Longer than I planned, maybe 6-7 kilometers, but very nice to run in the morning sun before it gets too hot. It's not really hot there, it's maybe 20 degrees, but the sun actually is very strong, so it feels warmer than like 30 in Manila. But now, time to have a shower and then have some nice breakfast, and I guess see you a bit later. Definitely quite lucky with the weather today. Started out very nice in the morning, but now also in the afternoon. Been out swimming, relaxing, and now it's time to wind down with the dinner. Walked all the way to a local swimming place, get some steps in here. Great combination of vacation with great food, activity and walking, and a lot of sunshine, but not guaranteed, so we'll see. Maybe it starts raining some other day, can't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave you guys here with some nice clips from today in the Swedish summer. Hope you all have a good day. Stay active out there. See you in the next video.